Dear friends, I hope this message finds you well. If you've ever considered incorporating meditation into your daily routine, but felt overwhelmed or unsure about where to start, you're not alone. Meditation is a powerful practice that can bring a sense of calm and mindfulness to your life. To help you get started, here are 10 simple steps for beginners. Find a quiet and comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. This could be a corner of your room, a cozy chair, or even a cushion on the floor. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position. You can use a chair, cushion, or yoga mat. The key is to maintain a posture that keeps you alert but relaxed. Start with a short session, perhaps 5 to 10 minutes, and gradually extend it as you become more comfortable with the practice. Close your eyes and bring your attention to your breath. Notice the sensation of each inhale and exhale. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring it back to your breath. Allow yourself to observe your thoughts without judgment. Imagine them as passing clouds, acknowledging them but not attaching any emotional weight to them. Consider using guided meditation apps or recordings. They can provide a helpful structure and introduce you to various meditation techniques. Progressively relax your body by focusing on different parts. Start from your toes and work your way up, releasing tension as you go. Repeat a mantra or affirmation silently. This can be a word, phrase, or positive statement that resonates with you. It helps keep your mind focused. Understand that meditation is a skill that develops over time. Be patient with yourself and don't get discouraged if your mind wanders. It's a natural part of the process. Establish a regular meditation routine. Consistency is more important than duration. Even short daily sessions can yield significant benefits over time. Remember, meditation is a personal journey, and there is no one-size-fits-all approach. Feel free to explore different techniques and find what works best for you. May your journey into meditation bring you peace, clarity, and a deeper connection with yourself. Wishing you peace and tranquility, your companion on this journey.